Should your small business bank with Relay or Bluevine? Thinking face, it's a critical decision, and in just the next few minutes, we're breaking down exactly what separates these two top online business banking platforms so you can choose the right one for your cash flow. The fundamentals, free and digital. Both Relay and Bluevine cater to the modern small business, meaning they are digital-first platforms, and their basic business checking accounts come with no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and unlimited transactions. They're also both FDIC insured through partner banks, so your money is safe. But that's where the similarities end. Their core strengths are actually quite different. Bluevine's edge, interest and financing money bag. Bluevine is for the business owner who wants their money to work for them. High-yield checking. Bluevine's biggest selling point is its annual percentage yield, APY. If you meet certain monthly activity requirements, you can earn a competitive APY on your checking account balance up to a high limit. If maximizing your interest earnings is a top priority, Bluevine is the clear winner here. Loans and credit. Bluevine isn't just a checking account, it's a financial toolkit. It offers lines of credit up to $250,000 and even a business cashback MasterCard. If you anticipate needing flexible working capital or a business credit card, Bluevine has you covered with its lending products, which Relay does not offer. Relay's edge, control and organization card index dividers. Relay is built for the business that values financial clarity and team collaboration. Multiple accounts for budgeting. The standout feature for Relay is the ability to create up to 20 separate checking accounts, all under one business name, and all with no fees. This is perfect for implementing strategies like Profit First, where you separate funds for taxes, payroll, operating expenses, and profit into dedicated buckets. Team management and bookkeeping. Relay allows you to issue up to 50 virtual or physical debit cards to your team members and set custom spending limits for each one. This makes expense tracking and management incredibly simple. Plus, Relay is known for its superior integration with accounting software like QuickBooks Online and Xero, which simplifies bookkeeping and reconciliations for you or your accountant. Lower wire fees. For businesses with frequent high-value payments, Relay's fee structure for outgoing domestic and international wire transfers is generally lower than Bluevine's, and even free if you opt for their premium plan. Choose Bluevine if you want to earn interest on your business checking balance, or you foresee needing a business line of credit or credit card. Choose Relay if you follow a cash management system like Profit First, have a team that needs debit cards with spending controls, or you want the deepest integration with your accounting software. It all comes down to your business model. Are you optimizing for passive income and access to credit, or are you prioritizing rigorous organization and team expense management? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.